A number m is formed by writing all the prime numbers between 0 and 10 in an ascending order. Another number n is formed by writing all the square numbers between 0 and 10 in a descending order. A. Find m minus n. B. Express m minus n as a product of its prime factor. How can we arrive at m minus n? Finding m minus n. First of all, we list all the numbers between 0 and 10. So the numbers between 0 and 10 are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A number m is formed by writing all the prime numbers between 0 and 10 in an ascending order. So we want to find the prime numbers between 0 and 10. Prime numbers between 0 and 10, prime numbers are 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So when we write these prime numbers in ascending order, first of all, we have identified the prime numbers to be 2, 3, 5, and 7. These are the prime numbers we have identified. When we write them in ascending order, it means that we write them from smallest going to the largest. So we start with 2, then we go to 3, then we go to 5, then we go to 7. So we have written the prime numbers here in ascending order: 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore, m is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Another number n is formed by writing all the square numbers between 0 and 10 in a descending order. Which are the square numbers between 0 and 10 here? The square numbers are 1, 4, and 9. Square numbers are 1, 4, and 9. We can multiply 1 by 1 to get 1. We can multiply 2 by 2 to arrive at 4. We can multiply 3 by 3 to arrive at 9. Therefore, these three numbers, they are the square numbers. So the square numbers are 1, 4, and 9. 1, 4, and 9. Arranging another number n is formed by writing all the square numbers between 0 and 10 in a descending order. Writing these numbers in descending order, it will be descending. It means that we start from the highest, then we go to the lowest. So the highest is 9, then the following one is 4, then 1. So our n is equal to 941. M minus n will be, m is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus 941. 941. Which is equal to which is equal to 1416. 1416. So m minus n is equal to 2357 minus 941, which is equal to 1416. So we have answered part A. We have answered part A. Then we can now go to part B. Express m minus n as a product of its prime factors. So m minus n is equal to 1416. How can we write it as a product of its prime factors? How can we write it? We know that 1416, we know that 2, we can multiply 2 by 708 to arrive at 1416. We can also multiply 2 by 354 to arrive at 708. We can also multiply 2 by 177 to arrive at 354. We multiply 2 by 177 to arrive at 354. We can also multiply 3 by 59 to arrive at 177. So how can we write the prime factors of 1416? So the prime factors will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 59. So that is can write it down here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 59. So when we write it as a product of prime factors, then now it becomes 2 power 3 times 3 times 59. 2 power 3 times 3 times 59. So this is the answer. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.